In the navigation panel, select Update Status of Previous School Year ESC Grantees. The grade level tabs and filters can be found on this page. Click a specific grade level to display all the education service contracting grantees in that grade level. Each grade level tab has filters in order to display a list of grantees according to year-end status and enrollment status. In the drop-down list, select first the year-end status. The grantee status may be passed, failed, did not finish, accelerated, and not updated. Then, select the enrollment status. Click Filter to display the filtered list of ESC grantees.